Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to wear denim for every single occasion possible. For real. So the first outfit that I have here, you guys know denim is an essential in my wardrobe, as I'm sure it's in yours, and I am so thrilled today to be partnering with today's sponsor, my friends at Everlane. For those of you who don't know what Everlane is, basically they are an ethical and sustainable clothing brand that brings affordable and really good quality options. I've never really addressed this on my channel. I know nobody is perfect and it's really hard to find a really good balance here, especially when I'm putting together outfits and trying to create things that are fresh and fun for you guys, which is why I'm actually really excited to show you guys Everlane's denim. They have so many different options at an affordable price point, and guys, the quality is really good. Just like completely honest, they're not telling me to say this. The quality is really great and really comparable to some of my more luxury denim. So I definitely suggest you guys heading on over there and checking out some of their basics and stuff because their stuff is really great. I'm gonna link everything that I'm wearing in the description box below. Also, to honor their message, I really want to style and put together outfits to complement their denim. I really want to honor their message by only wearing either ethical and sustainable brands, thrifted items, secondhand pieces, vintage, as well as companies that are trying to create less of a carbon footprint. So with that being said, I'm gonna link everything in the description box below and kind of just give you guys my reasons why I chose each and every piece. I've never done a video like this before, guys, so let me know if you guys like these type of videos because I know that this is a cause that is super important to a lot of you, as well it should be to every single person. So with that being said, let's just get right into it. Let me show you guys these looks. Are you ready, Toledo, to show everyone jeans? So I have 3 pairs of denim that I'm going to showcase today, and before I get into the outfits, I just want to show you guys each and every one of them. The first one is the Everlane Cheeky Boot Cut, and these are really nice because they're high-waisted, cinch you in at the waist, make your butt look really great. I got these in a size 25 and they fit awesome. Another thing I really like about them that you may not see in some of my outfits is that it has this darker indigo panel on the side that makes it just a little bit more like a skinny kind of flare almost. The next item I got is definitely a more trendy pair of jeans, and these are the Cheeky jean, and these are kind of like in a, I almost want to say like a beige color, and I got these in a size 25 again. They fit really well and they are just narrow but at the same time fit more like a mom jean, and these look really good on. I can't wait to show you guys. So then the last item that I have here is Everlane's High Rise Straight, and these are my favorite denim fit by far out of the 3. I think they're really flattering. They look very similar to some of my denim that is 3 times more expensive, and they are just gonna be worn so many different ways. I'm actually gonna show you guys 2 different ways in the following outfits. I also have a full Everlane fit that I will show you guys in the outfit, so stay tuned for that as well. I decided to do these outfits by occasion, so the first occasion I wanted to dress for was just running errands, something really casual. This is just a simple white t-shirt and jeans, and you guys know I love this just like simple look. I wear it all the time, and I decided to pair it with a thrifted white tee as well as some sneakers that are made in Italy. So I really love this entire look. To give it more of a fall vibe, I threw on a leather jacket. I think that this just looks so classic. The leather jacket is vintage. I just think that this is like the perfect outfit for going to school, like going to class, or just running errands about town, meeting your friends for coffee. You guys cannot go wrong with an outfit like this, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have these pieces already in your closet and recreate this look. The next outfit that I wanted to dress for was something that I didn't really have like a name for, so I'm just gonna call this fit like the fall uniform because it's very on trend and there are a lot of trends kind of running throughout it. This is just the Cheeky jean paired with a brown sweater, and I just think brown is just gonna be just a trend that's coming in full force right now. A lot of fashion houses are incorporating these really rich chocolate browns into their pieces, and I just love this. It's really simple. I paired it with a pointy toe Stuart Weitzman boot that, guys, I thrifted. I cannot believe I thrifted these. They are just so beautiful, and I think that just pairing a pointy toe with a straight leg jean just makes you look super long, makes your legs look longer than they actually are, and just this brown is just a super complementary color for every single skin tone, which I love. The next outfit I have here is for girls' night out or a date night. I just want something a little bit more fun for when you're just spending a night on the town. So I wore this with a little like lingerie top that I picked up at the thrift store. I love looking in the thrift store for lingerie pieces. I know that may like freak some people out, but I think that you can find really cute little tops that you can go out in, and they're usually really inexpensive. The way I wore this was just tucked in with a belt, just kept it really simple, and wore those same pointy brown boots once again. I think that this look just screams Sex and the City vibes like all the way, and you can't go wrong with a little bit of leopard. I wear white jeans all year round, guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys can definitely see how I like to mix it up with my white denim, and I absolutely freaking love this look. And it happens to be all Everlane. I didn't plan it that way, but this is my favorite look. I would like to call this the brunch look, and I decided to wear my cashmere Everlane jumper along with the white denim. I think that this looks so pretty together, and you guys know I love my all white looks. I think that they just look super classic and just really flattering. And then to top it off, I actually picked up a pair of Everlane boots, and these are their Western short booty, and I love this off-white color. If you guys have caught my fall boot guide, which was I think my last video, you guys would have seen them there. They're just super flattering, go with everything, and definitely a staple in my wardrobe this fall. So I love these. They are made in Italy, which is really, really special, and I think the pointed toe just makes your legs look super long, especially if you're wearing a like color to them, and you are gonna look so freaking good. I love this all white look. I also paired it with this secondhand designer clutch, and I just think this look would be perfect for mimosas on a Sunday morning. So the next look I have here is for someone who works somewhere that is casual, but at the same time you want to dress up a little bit. I know a lot of people get at me when I do work outfits because I'm not wearing like a blazer, pantyhose, and like a collared shirt and like a tie or whatever. I love these casual looks. I know a lot of my friends work in offices that you're able to get away with wearing denim as long as there's no holes in them. I used to work in a job that was kind of like this, like a startup environment, so this would be absolutely perfect. The way I decided to wear these high-rise like straight jeans is with a black turtleneck. Finally doing my first black turtleneck outfit for fall, and this is just super, super cute. I tucked it in to the jeans just to kind of flatter my waist a little bit, and then put on my Gucci loafers. The reason why I added my Gucci loafers is because they made the pack to be carbon neutral, and I think that is a really, really great step, especially for such a huge fashion house. And this look is just really classic, very much a tribute to like Audrey Hepburn and that type of silhouette. And I also wore it with a secondhand designer bag as well, and it's just really, really perfect and classic. So guys, that is the end of this video. I'm gonna have all the links as well as my outfit details in the description box below. I also want to thank Everlane again for sponsoring this video. You guys should definitely check them out. And with that being said, I am gonna go. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.